Hi friends, welcome back to That Gardener channel. I know it's been a while. Actually, we have moved around a little bit because of work in the last few years. So once we moved from Kenya to New York, I didn't really have a garden. We did have a lot of plants indoors, but we didn't really have a garden or space to have a lot of plants. So we didn't make a lot of videos. We had a couple of shorts that you might have seen and a couple of tours of gardens, places around the city, and some cities we visited as well. But now we have moved again to Italy, and the weather is wonderful, and we have really nice house with a lot of space to do gardening, both outdoor and on our rooftop. So we are restarting this channel. I'm super excited, and I'd like you to come with us on this journey in 2026 to do a lot of gardening. This is actually a perfect time. We are in mid-April and we're doing a lot of work in preparing our garden, and both for our rooftop and the one behind our house. This is the time when you are already sowing most of the seeds. You are also moving some of the container plants around, as well as they're trying to get a little bit healthier and bigger. You want to make sure that they're in a more secured and bigger space. So we're going to be doing a lot of this transplanting work as well. These are some of the nursery bought plants that we have. We also have sowed some of the seeds as well. So we're going to be moving some of these mature plants from the older nursery plastic pots to our ceramic pots that we just bought as well, and it's going to be one of the major work that we are going to be doing in April. The other things is, of course, keeping an eye on the seedlings that we have as well. We have a couple of seedlings here that are doing pretty well, so most of these are either herbs or some flowers as well. But we do have also some below behind the house as well. It's a beautiful day here in Florence. We're super excited to be in this house as well, and we are so excited to get into gardening again with some more space as well. The other things we're doing is, of course, we started our compost bin as well, which was really exciting for us. It's almost a 160 liter compost bin back of the house. It's already going for at least 3 to 4 weeks now, so we are hoping to get some good compost in the next couple of months. Usually takes around 3 months, 2 to 3 months to get some compost out of it. You might remember our video from Kenya. We used to do quite a lot of good composting there as well. The other things we're doing is, of course, keeping an eye on our climbing plants as well. So we have a couple of them this year. We have some jasmine. There's one jasmine here, there's two over there. We also have bougainvillea. So when I say keeping an eye on them, it means basically just ensuring that we can train them to use these trellis. So we're hoping to cover this entire frame of the terrace with our bougainvillea and some of the jasmine as well. The other things we always are keeping an eye on in April is to make sure that we can get all those seedlings into place. So both for the vegetables and flowers, we're trying to ensure that all those seedlings are in, and they are also kept temperature regulated as well. So some of them we are keeping them indoors first and move them outdoors gradually as it warms up. I think by now, starting this week, it's starting to warm up, so the seedlings are also going to be all coming out here. And that's about it for April. So I will share with you some of those videos about how our transplanting goes, how some of this work around composting goes, and give you a little bit of a tour as well when some of this garden starts to come together. Thanks a lot, guys. And thanks for also keeping up with our channel. I know we didn't post a lot of videos in the last couple of months, or almost years I should say, but we're excited to start posting a little bit more on our flowers and our garden as well, and share a couple of tips that have worked with us and what we have learned as a community. So with that, I'm signing off. Thanks a lot for joining our channel, and hope you like it. Please hit the like, subscribe video if you like this video, and see you on the next one. Bye guys.